Big data, AI, IoT. The digital transformation driving the fourth industrial revolution is accelerated by cloud computing. Companies born in the cloud are reshaping the market, and enterprises that are seeking digital transformation are adopting the cloud. Such evolution, which can be referred to as revolution beyond change, is called digital transformation. At this very moment, MegazoneCloud is at the forefront of the digital revolution. MegazoneCloud is a premier consulting partner of AWS, a global cloud business leader, and has become Asia's #1 company in the past 10 years. Partnering up with Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Akamai, Tencent Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle, and many other global cloud technology companies, MegazoneCloud continuously proves itself by acquiring AWS global partner competencies and providing quality service to more than 3,000 customers in various industries, from logistics and financial services to global enterprises. As the digital architect with a deep understanding of cloud technology and experience, MegazoneCloud provides a customized solution and a one-stop cloud-managed service. MegazoneCloud is growing 200% year over year, having regional offices in the US, Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, China, and Vietnam. MegazoneCloud is rapidly growing to become the #1 cloud service company in the world. As of 2021, MegazoneCloud has achieved more than $500 million with 1,500 global employees. MegazoneCloud, a global cloud service company, will lead the way for the digital transformation. MegazoneCloud made the first step to make the future become the present. MegazoneCloud is a managed service provider with a systematic approach in overall cloud experiences, such as consulting, implementation, operational support, and technical support to manage the entire lifecycle of the cloud environment. The core competence of MegazoneCloud as a managed service provider is applied throughout the entire 4 stages of the cloud lifecycle. Stage 1 is the initial customized consulting. We identify and analyze the customer's environment and requirements before planning out the successful transition to the cloud. With the plans created in Stage 1, we go on to Stage 2, which is implementation. In this stage, we support customers with security, operation, and an implementation guide for their adoption of AWS. Stage 3 is the operational support. MegazoneCloud has been recognized for its specialty quality in service level by achieving the requirements of AWS MSP. AWS MSP level is audited by AWS every year. MegazoneCloud has also prepared and constantly updated our systematic troubleshooting process to operate a 24/7 continuous cloud operations center to monitor customers' cloud environment and be ready for any customer requests or technical issues. This last stage, Stage 4, is technical support. MegazoneCloud provides a cloud support engineer, a managed service program, and a technical account manager to support any technical inquiries while our customers manage their services on the cloud. Since its debut in 2015, AWS Support Portal has provided the service in multiple languages and has been certified by AWS. We worked closely with engineers and global support teams from AWS to provide the absolute best technical support portal for international customers. Also, MegazoneCloud is helping customers manage and operate their cloud infrastructure more efficiently by providing HyperSolution 2.0, which was developed based on our experiences and know-hows. Customers of MegazoneCloud can manage their resources from anywhere at any time with HyperSolution 2.0. Billing, watch, control, checker, ops. And with MegaLab constantly monitoring cloud usages of our customers, It provides recommendations on AWS reserved instance and instance sizing. Let's take a look at the 5 solutions of Hyper Solution 2.0. Hyperbilling monitors the usage of AWS, such as instance and costs involved. It automatically calculates the cost per resource within the AWS account. HyperWatch allows customers to manage their cloud infrastructure status by monitoring and analyzing CloudWatch outputs for the region or instance level. HyperChecker provides real-time network latency between countries and regions, as well as network speed between them. If you want to manage the cost of instances that are used, we have HyperOps. HyperOps provides suggestions on optimal instance size by running simulation based on the analysis of the instance's CPU, memory, network, etc. This includes suggesting the reserved instance to reduce the cost, but keep the same level of service. Lastly, HyperControl provides centralized management of automated tasks such as AWS auto-scaling. MegazoneCloud also provides cloud solutions specialized in specific business areas. HyperCDN is a multi-CDN management platform that has integrated multiple CDN services using API and accelerates content delivery over the internet. Hyperbrowser is a file management and content lifecycle management that makes it easy to upload and deploy contents for delivery. HyperRender is an AWS-based rendering service that allows utilizing cloud resources when rendering is needed. You can spin up a more massive render farm on AWS to get the rendering done quickly. MegazoneCloud provides a customized offering for our customer based on their business requirements. We have a team that specializes in supporting the digital transformation for our customers. MegazoneCloud's iPad offering, infrastructure, platform, application, data, is providing customized services for our customers. What should we do to migrate our massive IT resources to the cloud safely and quickly? As the digital business expands, the demand for mass migration of IT resources to cloud and cloud adoption strategies are increasing. To meet the market's request, MegazoneCloud created the Mass Migration Center with experts in cloud migration skills and experiences to help with successful migration and adoption of the cloud. Mass Migration Center embodies a customized cloud roadmap in accordance with customers' business fields through analyzing, consulting, and implementing based on a 7-block framework which consists of discovery, strategy, platform, HR and organization, management and operation, and security. This makes the Mass Migration Center provide a rapid and secure migration successfully in any IT resource size. Speed is the most competitive factor in the IT industry. What would be the strategy for developing and operating business ideas as quickly as possible? MegazoneCloud provides an efficient, scalable platform with limitless flexibility so our customers can be even more competitive in a rapidly changing business environment. If you encounter any issues when adopting a multi-cloud environment for management and operation, the Cloud1 team's SpaceOne can be a solution. SpaceOne is a multi-cloud management platform which manages multiple cloud environments efficiently and conveniently with a single platform. Integrating and auto-collecting all infrastructure information of the public cloud on-premise to analyzing can be done simply with SpaceOne. Besides, SpaceOne is enlarging its function to manage system work history or integrate monitoring through connecting external workflow engine and to analyze the weak point of security automatically. Are you preparing for a cloud-based IoT business in response to increasing business requirements related to IoT? MegazoneCloud has developed MegaToy, a cloud-based IoT platform which is fully featured not only with basic functions, but also with the highest level of security for supporting customers' IoT service launching. MegazoneCloud customers can use MegaToy for a broad range of services, such as management of the device, firmware, user, and further customized functions based on the business environment for rapid and efficient IoT business. Various cloud integration services from MegazoneCloud will also be provided. Taking advantage of enterprise applications such as enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, and supply chain management is one of the keys to business growth. Due to this reason, recently many companies have been preparing for the next generation enterprise application environment, which applies new technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotic process automation, in addition to the transition of the cloud environment. Then, what would be the fastest and the most reasonable way to transfer to the next generation enterprise application environment of cloud from the current on-premise enterprise application environment? MegazoneCloud organized enterprise application group consisting of professional, experienced, and qualified members to provide the next generation's operational environment workload for customers. Enterprise Application Group supports 6 services for our customers to work efficiently in the cloud environment. Starting with cloud strategy consulting in the IT environment, you can migrate, convert, and deploy new elements on the cloud by transferring on-premise business management processes to the cloud environment. In addition, we provide cloud-optimized enterprise application on cloud services by utilizing cloud services and application managed services in which various new technologies can be applied during operational process. Particularly in the enterprise resource planning, we are professionally carrying out the SAP ERP project, which is the #1 market share and supporting customers' business by establishing various SAP forms on cloud. In recognition of these efforts and achievements, we won the qualification of AWS SAP competency. The ERP on Cloud team of MegazoneCloud provides plans of how to connect the SAP system with the cloud service so that the customer's SAP system can be implemented in the optimal cloud environment, as well as a stable operational plan of service through high availability DR configuration. In addition, we provide intelligent enterprise for our customers to enable a consortium with their partners on demand and the necessity of SAP on cloud customers. The exponential amount of data from digital devices in daily life became the basis of the developing market, and the companies are required to analyze big data faster and more accurately when making decisions in business. In the era of digital transformation, utilizing data is mandatory, not an option. MegazoneCloud is discovering valuable insights through analyzing and utilizing data from our own dedicated Data Service Center. The Data Service Center consists of data experts who provide comprehensive services to analyze and utilize data to support customers who can exhibit competitiveness and potential strength. This service includes a roadmap of analyzing system transition to the cloud, consulting, big data, data rake, data platform services for BI establishment and implementation, and discovering insight through analyzing the adapted AI machine learning technique on collected data as well. MegazoneCloud is the best cloud MSP in Asia, providing the top quality of total services across all fields of the cloud. Not only do we have an intensive partnership with 100 global tech partners, including the Amazon Web Service, but by providing a high-quality security service, which is the most crucial factor in the cloud, we cooperate with global leading security partner companies as well. Based on vast experiences and success stories, MegazoneCloud accompanies our customers to reach the top, called success. With MegazoneCloud, the future becomes the present.